Mastering conjunctions, the art of linking words. Hello, English learners. Welcome to a new episode in our series on conjunctions. Today, we will dive into the fascinating world of how conjunctions work as connecting words, phrases, and clauses. By the end of this video, you'll have a stronger understanding of how to use conjunctions to construct more complex and coherent sentences. Firstly, let's understand what a conjunction is. In the English language, conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases, or clauses. They are like the glue that holds sentences together. For example, words like and, but, or so are common conjunctions. Imagine you have two simple sentences, I like apples, and I like oranges. By using the conjunction and, we can connect these two sentences into one. I like apples and oranges. Now, let's move on to how conjunctions can connect phrases. A phrase is a group of words that stands together as a single unit, typically as part of a clause. Consider two phrases, in the morning, and before work. We can connect these two phrases using the conjunction and to make a more complex sentence. I jog in the morning and before work. Finally, let's understand how conjunctions can connect clauses. A clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. For example, she was tired, and she went to bed early, are two independent clauses. We can connect these two clauses using the conjunction, because, to form a more complex sentence. She went to bed early because she was tired. Here, the conjunction, because, expresses a cause and effect relationship between the two clauses. That wraps up our discussion on how conjunctions function as connecting words, phrases, and clauses. Remember, conjunctions are the glue that binds our sentences together, giving our speech and writing more depth, complexity, and fluidity. Practice makes perfect, so try using conjunctions in your sentences more frequently. As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!